Alright, who's checking back? As you guys can see, I'm underneath the car. Today I'm doing this bracket right here. Taking this thing off so I can put the so I can get my shifter, column shifter connected to this transmission shifter, whatever the fuck this thing is called. I don't remember what it's called right now. But the park neutral safety switch, see that? That's what it is. So sitting on the floor real quick. Not even about to bother getting up. So this is the piece I took off of my 350 transmission. As you can see, there's a little square in it. This is the side that connected to the transmission, and then the shifter went through there. But taking this out, took it off my 350. It's still in the backyard. I sold it to my buddy when he took the 327 that we thought was a 350 small block, but he left it here because he didn't really need the transmission at the time. And so luckily I was able to snatch this piece off of it. So I got this thing pushed all the way forward. And I busted this bolt loose. When I busted this bolt loose, it shifted all the way back. So before I took it off, I pushed it all the way forward again. But now that I got that thing off, this bolt loose is a 15. I'm trying to wiggle this thing off real quick, hopefully without breaking this neutral safety switch. And like I said, get this bracket bolted on there. I'm assuming like this, but I don't know how to figure it out. When I get it figured out, I'll get back with you guys. Alright, who's checking back? I didn't end up getting this bracket going in forward like I thought it was gonna go originally. I tried to get this part right here towards the front up here, pretty much just flipped over this way. It didn't really work out because this thing has notches in it. Where that nut is, it has notches in it like this, and that notches have to line up either like this way or this way, but either way it has to line up. And when I try to get it towards the front, this bend right here was blocking the nut, or actually the bend right here was hitting this nut, so it wouldn't let it go. I couldn't get it pushed into here. And then I kind of bent this crusty thing right here. I got fucking rust in my eye. I kind of bent this crusty thing here trying to get it in place, and then this bushing right here on inside of here is pretty fucking blown out, so that's fucked up. But so I ended up getting this in, and I had to put this C thing towards the back. I don't have the keys right now to this car because the keys are on a key ring at my buddy's house, and they're in a truck in his driveway that we're replacing the motor in. I have the keys on for that S10, has the same on that same key ring, has the keys to the Monte Carlo, so I don't have the keys to be able to, you know what I'm saying, flip the key over and try to shift it, see if it worked out right at the moment. But if I get the keys from my buddy's house and get this thing shifted and see if it works out right, I will let you guys know and give you guys an update on it. But just showing you guys how I put this in now. This thing came off, like I said, this bracket came off the 350 that originally came out of here, and this is the original shifter cable or shifter bracket that goes to the car. So like I said, I don't have the keys to the Monte Carlo, but when I get them from out of the S10, shift this and see if it works out right, and if not, I'll give you guys an update on what I did to fix it. But so far this is what I got. So who's checking out? Finally got my happy ass down here and changed this fucking dirty ass transmission filter. Got my new pan put in too. Shit, I ain't got that one with that big ass hole in it no more from the junkyard. Shit in there. Put my lights in. Put my corner lights. I'm missing one of these nuts on this one. There ain't got no fucking nut on it. But shit.